which has been used for US mode, and we have done some alteration so that it only trades on unidirection. So since the US has a restriction not to run both buy and sell on the same account, so this EA has been configured to run on the unidirection, and the set files also fine tuned so to make some profit on unidirection. For this particular EA, I'm going to use Honda. So this is a Honda application, the MT4 version. So you have to copy the file, the EA file what I have given to you. You have to go to this file folder, open data folder. Inside the data folder, there is a folder called MQL4. Inside that, you have to choose exports. So where you have to copy the file. The file I have given. There will be a file called this. There's a exe file, exe4 file will be there. So you just copy it and paste it here. Once you paste it here, and then go to the export advisor, and then you have to do a refresh. So once you are done the refresh, you can able to see the EA will be showing here in the export advisor tab. So currently the EA is showing us this is the EA single mode. So the single mode EA will be what I have to do is I will close this chart for example. I'll open a new chart, and then I will close this chart, and then I will close this trade also. So this is a new chart, and without any EA. Initially the chart will look like, and the auto trading will be in disabled state. So initially you have to set the auto trading enable, and then once the EA is copied, you have to open the chart and then remove the grids to see the. You can choose any time frame, and before choosing the time frame you want to see what is the trend, where it is going. So you can run the EA on that particular direction. So if you see this is a support and this is a resistance. So I think the market has already reached the support. So there is another pullback will be either this way or it may go up also. So by seeing this trend line, by seeing this trend direction, the trend direction also currently showing upward direction. So this is upward direction trend line. So by seeing this trend line, we can able to run this EA on buy direction in the buy side. So copy this EA into the chart, attach the EA, or you can drag and drop anything you can do. So just drag and drop it, and it will ask for the set files. You can use your own settings also, or if you know how to tune it according to your need. But I have configured I have tested some set files, and which has given me a very good results in the tester. So I have copied that information in the folder. So that folder is there. So copy it and then paste it in the this thing, and then you just choose it. It will come in the set files will be coming. So you need to check whether which side you want to run. There is two switches there. One is buy and one is sell. So currently we are going to run in buy mode. So check you have to use number 1 for buy mode. If you want to run in a sell mode, you have to use the number 2. So once it's done, press OK, and the EA will start. So the EA started, and then it will put the stop loss, and this is a fixed stop loss, so there is no need to worry. So now the EA started, and only thing you need to keep the EA to run without any disturbances. Make sure that this particular application should be in open state, and the chart has to be open, and the EA has to be attached to this graph. So in case anything is happened, for example, the application got crashed or anything, means we are just save this setting, go to properties, sorry, go to properties. You can save the settings in this particular set files, or in a desktop or wherever as a backup. And then you have to, in case of anything happened, EA got crashed, means, for example, the chart got closed, means you have to open it, and then you have to attach the same EA and load the backup file. That's it, and the EA will start to resume from the same place where it has got stopped. Okay. Thanks. This is a small demo how to use this EA, and you can the set files is which I am given is it's based on my analyzing and how the market moves. So I use set files configured. The small brief about the set files is it's nothing but a price action. You can see here there is a buy lot size will be configured. You can configure the lot size. You can give the lot size number, how much lot size you want to trade on every grid space. For example, this is a grid space, first 30 pips. After 30 pips, it will start to trade 0.02 lot, and then after 80 pips, it will start to trade 0.03. After 80 pips, it will start to trade 0.01. Another 80 pips, it will start 0.01. Like that, it will continue, and then finally it ends on 1.5. This is a this EA is tested on the what do you say, the tester. Currently the tester is running. See, you can see the testing. I'm using the same set files only. So the set files has been using, and you can see the performance. So I started with around $3,000, and now it has reached to $4,373. So it is running from past 2017, and still it is running. So 1 year is completed. So you can see the graph is very smooth, and but you have to run this EA yearly to make a very good return. But according to market condition, if you have knowledge, means if the market trend is reverse, so you can also change the EA to buy mode to sell mode, or you can open a new chart and run another EA on the sell mode, so that you can make money on both the direction. But I'm advising to run it on in buy mode only, but because this particular setting has been tested on buy mode. But I have a bidirectional mode also, that also you can run on bidirectional mode by using the same EA. Thank you.